Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So, on all the yen pairs, we've been trying to determine whether this right here is a top and whether this is just going to keep on going down or not. It definitely could, especially looking at all yen pairs. If it is going to do that, it needs to maintain impulsive movement down. It cannot break structure to the upside at a fib level on sort of time frames, but instead it just needs to keep on going down. If it does break structure to the upside on sort of time frames, then it's likely just a pullback to this move up, and it could definitely just keep on trending up. So on the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely still be recommending shorts because it has not broken a structure to the upside yet at a Fibonacci level. If it does break structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, whether it's just 38 or whether it decides to go down to one of these other levels, then I would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. But if this move up right here makes a lower high, pushes down, and then it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, then you would just keep on looking for shorts. If it decides to break structure to the upside at one of these Fibonacci levels, then you would definitely stop looking for shorts and you would start looking for longs again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.